Thinking about dipping your toes into the world of cryptocurrency, but not sure where to keep your digital assets? Specifically, are you considering a platform like Wealthsimple, known for its user-friendliness and integrated financial services? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the pros and cons of keeping your crypto in Wealthsimple, dissecting everything from fees and security to convenience and control. By the end of this, you'll have a much clearer picture of whether Wealthsimple is the right home for your crypto investments. Let's face it, the crypto landscape can be intimidating. You hear about decentralized exchanges, cold wallets, hot wallets, private keys, gas fees. It's a lot to wrap your head around, especially if you're new to the space. This is where platforms like Wealthsimple step in, aiming to simplify the process and make crypto investing accessible to the everyday person. They integrate crypto trading into their existing financial ecosystem, which includes traditional investments like stocks and ETFs, making it a one-stop shop for many users. But this convenience comes with its own set of trade-offs, and it's crucial to understand them before committing your hard-earned money. We're going to break this down into clear, digestible sections, starting with the compelling advantages that draw so many to Wealthsimple, then moving into the equally important drawbacks that might make you think twice. The allure of simplicity, pros of keeping crypto in Wealthsimple. One of the biggest selling points of Wealthsimple Crypto is its unparalleled ease of use. If you're already familiar with Wealthsimple's other investing products, adding crypto to your portfolio feels seamless. The interface is clean, intuitive, and designed with the beginner in mind. You don't need to navigate complex order books or understand intricate trading jargon. Buying and selling crypto is as straightforward as buying a stock, making it incredibly appealing for those who want to get involved in crypto without the steep learning curve often associated with dedicated crypto exchanges. This leads directly to another significant pro, integration with other Wealthsimple accounts. For many Canadians, Wealthsimple is already their go-to for TFSAs, RRSPs, and regular investment accounts. Having your crypto right there alongside your traditional investments simplifies your financial overview. You can manage your entire portfolio from a single app, track your net worth, and even move funds between your different Wealthsimple accounts with relative ease. This level of integration is a major convenience that dedicated crypto exchanges simply cannot offer. Then there's the aspect of regulation and trust. Wealthsimple is a regulated financial institution in Canada, which brings a layer of credibility and oversight that many pure-play crypto exchanges might lack. They operate under Canadian laws and have robust compliance measures in place, including Know Your Customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering, AML, protocols. This can provide a significant sense of security for investors, knowing that a recognized and regulated entity is handling their crypto. Wealthsimple was, in fact, the first regulated crypto broker in Canada, a testament to their commitment to operating within established financial frameworks. On the security front, Wealthsimple employs several measures to protect your assets. They utilize two-factor authentication, 2FA, encryption, and store the majority of client crypto in cold storage, offline storage, which significantly reduces the risk of hacking. They also work with reputable custodial partners like Gemini, who provide commercial criminal insurance policies to protect against theft, hacks, or fraud. While it's important to note that crypto assets themselves are not covered by the Canadian Investor Protection Fund, CIPF, or Canada Deposit Insurance Corporation, CDIC, which protect traditional investments and cash deposits, respectively, Wealthsimple and its custodians do hold their own insurance to mitigate certain risks. This custodial model means Wealthsimple manages the private keys on your behalf, which simplifies the process for users but also brings us to some of the cons. Wealthsimple also offers a decent variety of cryptocurrencies, supporting a growing list of popular coins like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Solana, SOL, Cardano, ADA, and many others. While not as extensive as some global exchanges, it covers the major players and a good selection of altcoins, satisfying the needs of most casual crypto investors. They also allow for crypto swaps, which can reduce trading fees and transaction times by allowing you to directly exchange one eligible cryptocurrency for another within the platform. Finally, The customer support at Wealthsimple is generally well regarded. They offer live chat, email, and phone support, which can be invaluable when dealing with financial matters, especially in a relatively new and complex asset class like crypto. Having access to human support, rather than relying solely on chatbots or FAQs, can be a significant advantage for new and experienced users alike. The trade-offs, cons of keeping crypto in Wealthsimple. Now, let's turn our attention to the flip side of the coin. While Wealthsimple offers convenience, it often comes at a cost, both literally and figuratively. The most frequently cited drawback of Wealthsimple crypto is its higher trading fees. While Wealthsimple promotes commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs, this does not extend to crypto. They charge an operations fee or trading fee on each crypto transaction, which is embedded into the spread. This fee can range from 0.5% to 2% depending on your client tier, core, premium, generation. For core clients, it's typically 2%, which is noticeably higher than many dedicated crypto exchanges that often charge 0.1% to 0.5% per trade. If you're a frequent trader or dealing with larger sums, these fees can quickly eat into your profits. While they claim to simplify things by including currency conversion costs in this fee, the overall percentage can still be significant. Another major limitation is the lack of true ownership and control over your crypto assets. When you hold crypto on Wealthsimple, you don't directly own the private keys to your digital assets. Wealthsimple operates as a custodial platform, meaning they hold your crypto in trust on your behalf. This is a crucial distinction from holding crypto in a personal hardware wallet, cold storage, or even a non-custodial software wallet, where you control your private keys. The saying in crypto is, not your keys, not your crypto. While Wealthsimple and its custodians have insurance, relying on a third party means you're exposed to their operational risks, however small. In the unlikely event of their insolvency, while your crypto is held in trust, the process of recovering it could be complex and time-consuming. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.